Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I will be teaching you how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So I've just installed the Shopify application, which is for CJ Dropshipping, and it does simply heads over to this particular site, which is CJ Dropshipping. It is going to be redirecting you to their platform. Now what we need to do is we simply need to bridge between both of these to list products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So for that, head over to My Products, and you can see we have Store Products option over here on the left side of our screen. Now it is time for simply adding an automatic connection. So just hold on a bit, and you can see we have this Select Store option. Select the store, and we need to synchronize. It is going to be taking some time to load, and you can see it is synchronizing. So just wait for a couple of seconds until the process is completed, and you should have your products listed in here. So I currently have no that such products created on CJ Dropshipping, but if you do have, they are definitely going to be showing up into your products section over here. So yeah, this is basically how the core formula works, and I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.